gentlemen, welcome to another vloggy on this beautiful day as we are cruising in Brooklyn. And people are looking for parking left and right. It's a parking situation. I'm listening to my bike to make sure it's running right. I think it is. I think everything's okay. Just a casual Thursday. Nothing much is going on. Got a lot of work to do, but it's the kind of work that I can just bang out, so I'm not too concerned. You know? Not too concerned. And yeah, I'm just... Bike sounds like it's fine. Oh, there's a crash. I guess there's a crash up that way. This guy with his strong move. It's fine. You got it, buddy. Not to worry. You're gonna fucking go though? My favorite is when people go for the cut and then don't take advantage of it. Brother, one of these days I'll learn the art of riding gently and calmly without fucking extra emotion. But until that day, I'm gonna fight for injustice, and when somebody's riding too slow, I'll talk about it. Good Lord. We get behind this big truck. It's gonna be all right. A small baby move. Why, this truck is not moving? Oh boy, what's happening here? Always a situation on this fair turn. Let's see what happens here on this good old BQV. Alright, it's time to fucking retire these gloves, I'm thinking. Oh, that's fun. It's fun to go quick. Even if it's just for a moment. That was nice. Like that. I literally got out of fucking third gear for a second. That's it. I'm surprised there's even this. I'm guessing the traffic starts right about now. This little route here, but what are you gonna do? Little route, little groove. All right, and we're back. We're cruising and creeping along. One of the plans today, after I do the worky work, is to stop by the new RevZilla store. Just gotta double check that it's open. I think it is. really need to buy anything, but just want to take a look and see what they got. Look at all that space up front. Folks are being savages, leaving gaps. Why would you leave gaps at 8 a.m.? I never understand. It's like 8 a.m. This is not a leisurely drive. Nobody's fucking doing this for fun. That guy's trying to blend in anyway. I like this turn. It's kind of fun. Nice little spin about. Shift this baby into second. Calm her down. She was making a little too much noise there. And then shift her back into first because this boy is crawling. Like, I don't ever understand that. Are you turning? Alright, so fucking do it. Fucking A, taking his sweet time, or her time, whatever the mission is here. This person is taking it slow. And look at this, more turning. Probably got a parking garage or something. Oh, there we go. Making lights today. Nice lineup. Oh, the air feels perfect right now. What's the temperature, I wonder? Whatever it is, it's spot on. And that girl definitely works out. The girl who's like running over there. Yeah, she's literally working out right now. You know what I mean? Could have sworn they just did something funny. Could have sworn it ran on one cylinder for a second just now. I gotta check that. Am I like death, or is the bike extra quiet today? I just don't want it to die here now. If it's gonna die, I want it to die like over there. Oh God, are we back to that bullshit again? I hope not. Speed camera here. Gonna make this light. Yes, we are. Where are we at? 184 degrees. There we go. So we got Thursday. We can park anywhere here, really. But we'll see if we can find a spot. What are you doing, bud? Really? What is this? What am I supposed to do with that? Fucking jerk off. See. Might be a spot somewhere around here, right? Probably park it right here. I don't see why not. Oh, yeah. Probably shouldn't park there. And the sun is coming out now. Now it's getting serious. All right, I'm gonna park right here in between these two babies. It's the perfect spot. I'm trying to listen to my bike to see if it really is doing what I think it's doing. There we go. Let's look here. Let's listen to it. I think it's okay. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.